Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to Balghari Kitchen. As usual, you're watching my YouTube channel, Balghari Kitchen. In today Balghari Kitchen, I'm going to make one dish from Pakistan, which is lamb korma. As you know, Pakistanis are meat lover, so I'm going to make today in Balghari Kitchen lamb korma, which is very delicious dish in Balghari Kitchen. So keep watching the full video. Don't skip the video, and if you're not yet subscribed Bulgari Kitchen, please do subscribe Bulgari Kitchen, share to friends and family. As always, I remind you, please give your lovely feedback in comment section. Thank you for watching Bulgari Kitchen. Let me take you to my kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients. I'm going to show you all. Here I have fresh taken lamb with bone, 1 kilo. Fried onion, I already make fried onion already. Some yogurt, cooking oil, bay leaves and cardamom and cinnamon sticks, cloves and jeera like cumin seeds, and peppercorn, ginger I slices, thin slices, and spices: Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. This is homemade garam masala, some fresh coriander for garnish, garlic powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, and some green chili. So keep watching Bulgari Kitchen for lamb korma today recipe. I'm going to prepare now. So viewers, let's start our cooking. Here I put one pressure cooker which is going to heat. Then I'm going to add oil, cooking oil. First ingredients in oil, you can add cumin seed, corn, peppercorn, cloves, bay leaves, cardamom and cinnamon stick. Saute in oil to 1 minute. Saute the garam masala for 1 minute to add our lamb, and mix together all. Cook until the color change for 3 to 5 minutes. You can see. Keep cooking until the color change. As you see the color change, so I'm going to add the spices: Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, salt, garlic powder, garam masala, brown onion. Mix nicely until the masala is coated with all the meats. You can see. Nice color. And keep cooking for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add some hot water like this. You can, I almost add 3 cups of water. I'm going to cover this one and then cook for 30 minutes. So viewers, let's check our lamb in the pressure cooker. 30 minutes. I'm going to open the pressure cooker. Wow. Now it's time to add the ingredients like onion, yogurt, some garam masala, and green chili. Mix nicely. So you can see the yogurt. Cook for another 20 minutes on slow fire. So viewers, our lamb korma is ready. I'm going to dish out. Wow. Garnish with some coriander leaves and freshly sliced ginger. So our lamb korma is ready. So viewers, our lamb korma is ready in Balghari kitchen. Looks delicious. Going to taste some curry. Let's try some korma. It's very flavorful and meaningful. You can serve with this one with naan bread, chapati, paratha, any kind of bread. Even you can serve this one with steamed basmati rice. It's amazing. So I can't stop more eating. You can cook in your kitchen with following my recipe. Mmm, very delicious. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen for upcoming videos and share to friends and family. Don't forget to give your lovely comments and let us know our videos and any dish you want to uh, learn. Just make it in comment section. So I'm going to make next time that dish for you. So thank you very much for watching Bulgari Kitchen. Ta-ta!